Alright, Karin, we're gonna start the machine. Red switch, getting on. Now we turn on the laser machine on. Both charging, please wait. Good. Getting ready. See? Now, I already programmed the machine. This is power, not working, everything. Good. You have two different settings. This is 2, this is 1. Different power, frequency, light spot, and everything. Second, low power, frequency, pulse, light spot 2.8. This soldering very good right there. And now I can adjust the thing. I don't know. Before I don't know how to adjust it, but now they told me how to adjust it. Now you can adjust it. Everything good, nice machine. I like it. They work perfectly. Here's the machine. See, now we want to start shooting something. And this one, when the machine comes, you have to adjust this one, and this one. You have to put paper so you can start shooting first, moving this one and this one. Good. So everything is good. Machine is working good. Let's see if we can solder something. I cannot see. There you go. There's the machine. Very nice. Let me put the cover. Good. You put the hot water. First time when you get the water, you put this one. Then you push the water pump after you fill the tank on the machine. So now we're shooting off. We turn off the laser off first. Boom. And then switch. Switch off, and then red. There you go. Everything good.